TV.
Sirkal osingo keto tenge omenda maromo bilion 1.4 e bero weche mag lupo e aluora mar Nam Lolwe. Kano wuoye romo e wi weche mag bero lupo e aluora mar Nam Lolwe, jatend migao mochung'ne lupo Salim Vuria olero ni sirkal nigi chenro mar tieko gero kuonde duto mag rito rech. Mago ting'o banda, Malwanda, Kotieno, Nyandiwa, Wakula, Mainugu, Sori, Got Kochola, Ogal, kod Asat. Omedo ni banda makabonyo Kanyagwal ibiro tieki gero e thuolo mar jumbe 3 kende.
The fishermen have been plying their trade amidst a number of challenges. And as a ministry, what we have decided is to ensure that we support the fishermen with infrastructure. And we are doing this in Lake Victoria and also in Indian Ocean, and the other lakes we also have different plans for them. But more importantly for Lake Victoria, we have been working very closely with IFAD, and in the midterm review of the program that is existing, we have been able to find funding to the tune of 1.4.5 billion that is going to fund the landing sites in this region.
We note the importance of aggregation centers and landing sites, particularly for this lake region. And as the CS have said, we've agreed to really have that as part of the program, because our whole aim is to ensure that we have impact on the lives of the communities.
So we are looking forward to the completion of the projects. And I also want to just thank the partners. Budget is always an issue. And now in this particular program, we have IFAD, who has come in, very prominently to work with the national government and county governments to ensure that we deliver on this agenda.